Okay, just got this Cricut Explorer 3. Pretty nice box here. Us being marketing consultants, just kind of checking out the branding today. And it's nicely packaged. So we're going to go inside here. We've got You Were Born Creative. Well, they got that right so far. So it looks like that's French and Spanish, I guess. Surely not Portuguese. All right, check it out. Got this pretty cool envelope here. And then looks like they've given us some samples, a little sticky back, and something to get us started. Machines nicely packed, which is cool. I was a little concerned because the box was kind of jacked up when it came, but this is well packed. Anyway, so let's check it out. Let's see what we've got in this envelope here. See if I can do this. All right. Aha. A little bit more inside. This is cool. All right, what do we have here? Let's get started. Yeah, it's nice. They keep doing this 3-language thing. Help needed. Little card. Of course, the branding. Colors are great. Cricut colors and some more paper. Some more samples here. Looks like we've got a warranty. So that's cool. All right, so we're gonna kick this to the side here and let's see what we've got in the box. Bad boy's packed in here really nice. And got instead of little peanuts and styrofoam, which would drive me crazy, got this corrugated, I think that's what it's called, cardboard. And let's see here, we've got our charger or power cord, something down there obviously for the moisture, and looks like that's probably the USB cord. So let's see what else we got here. Pull this machine out. Another one of these cool labels. This is some of that foam paper. So I'm telling you, this is well packed. It's pretty nice. Nice. Money green. It's actually a mint green, and that's it. It's got a little plastic wrap here as well. This is closed off. Nice. It's got the buttons here, and I don't want to. Opens at the top here when you press this down. It's got a little. Okay, we've got off the little shrink wrap. And we're going to open it up here. We're pulling this tab off. And we'll kick that to the side. And this is it. Look at that. Press the button there. Got this door that opens up nice and slow. Top opens up nice and slow. This thing is like a little Bentley or something, I guess you could say. Everything's foam packed, and it's ready to go. This is the Cricut 3 Explorer 3, and it cuts supposedly twice as fast as just the standard machine. I guess this is the maker would be the top model, and I like the buttons here. Everything's flush and smooth. And we'll close this up, close this down. Give you another peek at the quality. Very nice. It's got your little tray here. It's got a little rubber bottom there to kind of keep the tools quiet when you put them back in there. And on the back has this USB and the power cord there. And then one thing I like about this is it says you can sit your tablet on top. So, see, I'm going to push this button again. Boom. Wow, look at that. Yeah, my car doesn't even do that. All right. And so that's about it. I'm going to wait to take this out when I really get started here. But I've used the model that's just below this before, and it worked seamlessly. And I thought I'd take a step up. Look down in here. I forgot about this part. It's got these little compartments down in here. But this is a step up from the last machine, so you can cut through heavier material and special material. And this will cut up to 12 feet long, which it was very attractive to me because I can do multiple things instead of having to reload my material each and every time just to do something else. But this can hold your tools down here, some special tools that it can hold, but nice little compartment. Everything is solid.